How to use double tap on Apple Watch. As you know, double tap is enabled by default in watchOS 10.1, so there's no setup required. To use the double tap gesture on older Apple Watch models, follow these steps. On your Apple Watch, go to the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Tap Assistive Touch. Move the Assistive Touch slider to on green. Tap Hand Gestures. Ensure the Hand Gestures slider is set to on green. There are 4 gestures to which you can assign actions. Number 1. Pinch. Perform this action by tapping your thumb and forefinger together. Number 2. Double pinch. Perform this action by quickly double tapping your thumb and forefinger. Number 3. Clench. Perform this action by forming a fist. Number 4. Double clench. Performing this action by quickly making a fist twice in a row. Tap each one to customize its function. Each gesture can have many different actions assigned to it, including a tap, moving forward or backward, pressing or turning the digital crown, and much more. Tap each gesture and assign a unique action to each gesture you want to use. Practice the gesture to confirm it triggers the action you want. By using this method, you can enable double tap gesture on Apple Watch. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to make a comment. If you're facing any issue,